Welcome back, guys. This is the last lecture of this section, and which is assessing a name before it has been properly created. So, we cannot assess any variable name before its declaration. So, this is a very common error like trace back and the name error, the name y is not defined. So, this is a very common error which programmers usually face while they are coding. So, let me show you this error as well. Uh, let's do an example. I am declaring any variable which is x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 20. Now I want to assess another variable which is z, which is actually not declared in this program. So name error name z is not defined. So this is how the name error usually appear in front of you when you are trying to assess a non-existent variable in your program. And this was very important point to remember while you are coding. So I hope you understand this and see you in the next lecture.